Unit 1, measurable spaces. First definition, sigma algebra. Suppose capital X is an non-empty set, a collection script B of subsets of X is said to be sigma algebra of subsets of X if it satisfies two conditions. First one, if A belongs to the collection, then its complement also belongs to the collection, where A bar is the complement of A in X. That is, if A belongs to script B, then its complement also belongs to script B. That is, script B is closed with respect to complementation. Second one, An belongs to script B for all n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Then their countable union also belongs to script B. That is, script B is closed with respect to countable union. Already we have discussed this definition earlier in the Lebesgue measure and integration topic. Now again we are revising sigma algebra. Suppose X is any non-empty set. From this non-empty set I am going to collect subsets of X. That collection is said to be a sigma algebra of subsets of X if it satisfies. If I take any element of this collection, then its complement should also belong to the same collection. A1, A2, so on belongs to script B, then their countable union also belongs to script B. If any collection of subsets of X satisfy these two conditions, then we say that script B is a sigma algebra of subsets of X. Next important definition, measurable space. Suppose X is a non-empty arbitrary set. X is a non-empty arbitrary set and script B is a sigma algebra of subsets of X. Then the pair X comma script B is called a measurable space. Is called a measurable space. Suppose X is any non-empty arbitrary set and script B is a sigma algebra of subsets of X. That is, what is a sigma algebra? A collection of subsets of X is said to be a sigma algebra if it satisfies these two conditions. If script B is a sigma algebra, then the pair, the set comma the collection of subsets of X, which is sigma algebra, is called the measurable space, is called the measurable space. Next definition or note. Before we begin for definition, let us take note. Suppose X comma script B is a measurable space, then the elements of script B are called as script B measurable sets. Script B measurable sets. That is, if E is any element of script B, then E is said to be script B measurable. X is a non-empty arbitrary space and script B is a collection of subset of X, which is sigma algebra. Then the pair X comma script B is said to be measurable space. If X comma script B is a measurable space, then the elements of script B are called script B measurable sets. That is, if A is any element in script B, that element is nothing but one of the subset of X which belongs to this one, sigma algebra, then that element is said to be script B measurable. Example, first one. Example, first one. Consider R comma scriptium, where R is the set of all real numbers and scriptium is the class of all Lebesgue measurable sets, which we have already studied in the second semester in the topic Lebesgue measure and integration. Scriptium is the class of all Lebesgue measurable sets. Already in the topic we already proved that scriptium is the sigma algebra of subsets of R. We know that scriptium is a sigma algebra of subsets of R. R is a non-empty set and scriptium is the class of all Lebesgue measurable sets. Already we have proved in the second semester scriptium is a sigma algebra of subsets of R. Therefore, R comma scriptium is a measurable space. Is a measurable space. Second example. Consider R comma B, where B is the class of all Borel sets in R. Already proved in the second semester that class of all Borel sets is nothing but a sigma algebra of subsets of X. Therefore, we know that script B, that is class of all Borel set, is a sigma algebra of subsets of R. Therefore, R comma B is a measurable space. Is a measurable space. Third example, important one. Consider x comma script m naught, where let us take x as close interval 0 comma 1 and script m naught as all those e intersection close interval 0 comma 1 such that e belongs to script m, and the script m is nothing but class of all Lebesgue measurable sets. Now I have to prove that this one is a measurable space. To prove this one is a measurable space, I have to prove that script m naught is a sigma algebra of subsets of x. Sigma algebra subset of x. Then this pair is said to be a measurable space. Now we prove script m naught is a sigma algebra of subsets of x. So first one, let us take any element from script m naught. I have to prove that its complement also belongs to script m naught. Let a belongs to script m naught. Then if a is one of the element of this collection, then a is in this format for some e belongs to script m. Then a is equal to e intersection close interval 0 comma 1 for some e belongs to script m. Here you can say script m is class of all Lebesgue measurable sets. Means every element in this collection is a measurable set. Now how to show that its complement also belongs to this one? Now complement, since a is a element of this one, means it is the intersection of e and this one. Intersection means common element of e as well as this set, means that a has the elements of this one, means nothing but a is a subset of x. Since a is the close interval 0 comma 1, a is a subset of x, then its complement can be written as x minus a, which is equal to x minus a is nothing but e intersection close interval 0 comma 1, which is equal to x minus this one can be written as x intersection complement of e intersection close interval 0 comma 1, x intersection complement of this one. Now this one can be written as x intersection from the De Morgan's law complement of e union complement of close interval 0 comma 1, which is equal to x intersection complement of e union, since what is x is close interval 0 comma 1, then complement of close interval 0 comma 1 can be written as complement of x. Now this one can be written as x intersection complement of e union x intersection complement of x, which is equal to x intersection complement of e union x intersection complement of x is always empty, since x intersection complement of x is empty. This one union empty set will become x intersection complement of E. X intersection complement of E. Here where complement of E belongs to scriptium. How I can say complement of E belongs to scriptium? Since E is an element of scriptium and scriptium is a class of all Lebesgue measurable set, which is nothing but sigma algebra of sets. Then from the definition, its complement also belongs to scriptium. Therefore, A complement is nothing but close interval 0 comma 1 intersection complement of E, where complement of E belongs to scriptium, which is clearly in this format, that element belongs to close interval 0 comma 1 intersection E and that element belongs to scriptium. Therefore clearly we got complement of A belongs to scriptium, proving the first condition of the Lebesgue sigma algebra of sets. Now second one, let An belongs to scriptium naught for all n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then its countable union also belongs to scriptium naught, we have to prove. Then if An belongs to scriptium naught, then An can be written as En intersection close interval 0 comma 1 for all n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, where En belongs to scriptium. En belongs to scriptium. Now countable union from n is equal to 1 to infinity An. This one can be written as union n is equal to 1 to infinity. An is nothing but En intersection close interval 0 comma 1. Since we are taking union with respect to n, this one is independent of n. This one can be written as union n is equal to 1 to infinity En intersection close interval 0 comma 1. So directly I will say that this one belongs to scriptium naught, since each En belongs to scriptium for all n, then countable union also belongs to scriptium, since scriptium is a sigma algebra. Therefore proving second condition. Therefore we got that scriptium naught is a sigma algebra of sets. Hence scriptium naught is a sigma algebra of subsets of X. Therefore X comma scriptium naught is a measurable space. Now next definition, important definition, measure. Suppose X comma script B is a measurable space. A non-negative extended real valued function defined on script B, that is let us take as mu a function, non-negative extended real valued function on script B. Since it is non-negative real valued function, it maps to close interval 0 comma infinity, is said to be a measure on the measurable space in the measurable space x comma script b if satisfies the following conditions. First one, measure mu of a empty set is always 0. Second one, mu of union I is equal to 1 to infinity ei can be written as summation I is equal to 1 to infinity mu of ei, where ei from I is equal to 1 to infinity is a pairwise disjoint sets in B. Suppose x comma script b is a measurable space. A non-negative extended real valued function means a function defined on B which is non-negative extended, that is a function defined on B which is extended non-negative real valued function. This function is said to be measure on the measurable space if it satisfies these two conditions, that is mu of empty set is 0 and mu of union I is equal to 1 to infinity ei can be written as summation I is equal to 1 to infinity mu of ei, where all these ei's I is equal to 1 to infinity is a pairwise disjoint sets in B. Pairwise disjoint sets in B.